Dada. Dada. I know Dada. We're playing fire alarms in the telescope, and then I just drive and then carry on the road down the teachers, and I press the bell button, and I say ding ding ding, and then we all
ding ding ding,
and then we all get our dad go outside and say something. Ding ding
a nice leisurely evening.
Sounds like leisure. They leisure. They're happy. Yes, we'll have the leisure, and you can manage the ruckus.
Yes, it's always good having Bob manage that. Whee! So you could go down the hill on the bicycle. What are you doing?